This is how our firework glasses look, and this is how we did it.
Here are all the materials that we used.
We used a paper template to trace the arms of the glasses. We used the glasses template to trace it onto the piece of cardboard that we cut out for the glasses.
We poked holes in the cardboard so it was easier to fit the lenses in the middle. We cut the cardboard into triangles so it was easier to remove.
After we cut out the inside circles of the glasses, we taped down the lens to the frame, and then we glued another set of frames on top of it. That way it acted like a sandwich and held it all together.
We worked on putting the arms of the glasses on, but the tape wouldn't stick. It's fine, we could take off the sound.
Oh, yeah.
So we could talk. We don't need to...
We're just gonna put music over it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
How am I gonna get this to stick? We did not think this through. As you can see here, that the arms are working, but in this clip you can see as soon as we pick it up, it doesn't work.
Like that.
And then, like, this is what a sparkler looks like through our firework glasses. This is what the outside decorations look like before. And this is what the Christmas lights look like after we use our firework glasses. Diffraction works differently with colors because each color has a unique wavelength, and the amount of wave bends or diffracts depends on its wavelength. The longer wavelengths, like this red light here, are bend more at a larger angle. In the next couple of clips, you can see how it changes drastically. We used both of our firework glasses to see how it would change the way the light looks.